Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Question 4. We have here an explosion at X, and you have, as I told you earlier, you have to identify the position of the sound source and how many persons you have in your story in the question. If you have any dimensions, any distances. So the source here is explosion, so this is the sound source. We have here a girl and we have boy. The girl hears the explosion 5 seconds after she sees the explosion happening. Explain why there is a delay, a time delay between seeing and hearing. As we said many times, light travels faster than sound, or you can say it in the other way around, sound travels slower than light. So you can write here that light travels faster than sound. The speed of sound in air is approximately 330 meter per second, but the speed of light in air is 300 million meter per second. Okay, the girl is standing 1700 meters from the explosion site X. Okay, here. So she is standing at this distance, and it's mentioned already, 1700 meters. The girl calculate the speed of sound. Okay, here guys, pay attention. This question is somehow challenging because here we don't have any information about echo. The sound, we just have sound source, and the girl, she hears the sound directly from the source. The time taken here is the time for the sound to travel. So it's the delay here, it's not echo time, it's just the difference between seeing the object and hearing the sound. Okay, so you can write here the answer that directly speed of sound will be equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. So here no need for echo time, we are not talking about echo at all. Just substitute distance traveled between the girl and the sound source, which is 1700 meters, and the time here it's 5 seconds. Check your units are consistent. The answer will be 340 meter per second. You should mention the unit which is not given. You have 4 marks. Again. 4 marks. Show your working equation. I will write them here. Show your working Write down the equation, not triangle. Substitute your final answer and unit. Okay? Okay. The next part is also important. The boy is standing at Y, different location, between the explosion site and the girl. When does he hear the explosion? Okay, since the boy is standing here, closer, nearer to the explosion, for sure he will hear the sound first before the girl. So the boy will hear the sound first because the distance is shorter. He is closer to the source. How does the sound heard by the boy if you compare it with the sound heard by the girl? Since the boy is closer to the source, so the sound will be louder. No energy wasted. The waves, sound waves, they keep their energy. They are closer to the source. The person is closer to the source, so he will hear the sound louder. He will hear the sound louder. So here, the sound heard by the boy is louder because he is closer to the source. Is it clear?
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics blender. I love physics blender. I love physics blender.